try that one, Zach.
Yeah.
No? Oh, extra small yan.
Yeah, I found it.
No, I want the other one, Mum.
Okay.
Here, can you fold that one back up, please?
Wait lang guys, patalastas muna.
Okay.
I like your shorts,
I got these from
Korea.
Ripco
You just said that.
again.
Yeah, okay.
I got. These are a bit big, but Dad said just get them.
And they look like Dad's shorts again.
I got these. Show me. Max is gone. Okay, I'm showing Dad.
Okay, so daddy. Insert mo na lang.
Okay, Jan, keep going.
I got these shorts. They're big. They're Ripco.
Yeah, you look different, Zach.
They're
You look
big.
cool.
They're big. Dad said get them because I'll go into them.
Where did you get this? This is
Yeah,
nice.
They're too big. I can't wear them yet.
Ah.
Dad said
No,
just
you
get
can
them.
put, pinakuha na ng daddy.
Why don't you keep, why
You
don't
can just wear
a belt?
belt na. Is this for adults?
Yeah.
28.
Everything is.
Most si kuya sa adult na siya kumukuha ng damit.
Because it doesn't fit in kids.
Oo, hindi na siya.
Only in shorts and trackies I do. I got this Billabong jumper.
That's from
plain.
Adults.
Yeah.
Adult na
Old jumpers were. Oh, except for one.
Yeah, sa adult na siya kumukuha ng jumper kasi hindi na siya kasya dun sa kids. Kasi hanggang
Is that
14 lang
fine,
ata ang kids. Si kuya magpo-14 na.
What's it say?
Yeah, but you're turning 14,
Oh,
right?
yeah. I got this Billabong jumper.
What's it say?
Billabong.
No, what's that?
Billabong.
No, it says Board Short Company.
Here's close.
Which one? Mama, put this in their bag because that's yours. Oh no, it's alright. You can.
Yeah, but I'm next to share. I'm the second one who got lots.
Oh,
What's
Guapo.
Dad's cutting it.
What?
I got this shirt. No, because it's too big.
It's alright.
No,
now.
Dad said it's that shirt.
It's alright.
Like that
It's
shirt.
gonna.
Like that shirt.
Yes, I do. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, I love this shirt. I like white.
And I got this Rip Curl
Peach.
shirt.
You have that one. That
Yeah,
design.
but in
Black.
Black.
it don't fit me.
Oh, hindi na fit sa kanya.
I
This
got
is
this
big,
Rip
kuya.
Curl shirt.
This is from adult.
Rip Curl, yeah.
Are these yours?
And oh yeah. I got
Adult.
socks.
What's this?
Rip Curl socks.
Is that yours though? Is that yours?
That looks like Zach's.
Looks like that.
Is this your shirt?
I like
It's Zach's shirt.
this. It sucks. Okay. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
that was my shirt.
Is that siya? Kay Zach daw to. Meron din dito si Zach. Iba lang yung kulay. Noon.
More, I swear.
Is that more? Yeah, that one.
Oh yeah, this is a good shirt.
That's the first shop.
That's yeah, first shirt.
That looks so big. It looks like Dad's.
I got
Adult
this
na kasi.
shirt from Rip Curl.
Oh, what? I like the color here.
Are
I
they
got-
yours?
I like this.
It
I
look,
got these board shorts
they feel like swimming shorts.
from Rip Curl, extra small.
They feel
Men's.
like
Men's
swimming.
pala. Sorry.
Am I
na.
what?
That's it.
Is that is the way?
Yeah, I think you have more. Ah, here.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're
They're
Dad's.
Dad's.
I got. Oh, this is my last one.
Ah. Ganda niyan. Ang gwapo ni Kuya.
I got
Look at
this jumper from Quicksilver.
Or
Yeah.
Billabong.
Billabong.
Is that it?
Yep. My turn.
Is it?
Really?
Oh, no yan.
Is there a bag under there?
No, this is Saki.
What's that paper bag?
That's one.
Alright, okay, my turn. Alright,
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Right,
so
yeah.
first,
I'm putting this on.
so
Which
first,
one? Oh, Holy Star.
this is from Rip Curl, this jumper, and it comes with a pair.
No, it's separate.
Well, it's separated, but we found this
Yeah.
pants because they matched, and it said Rip Curl here, right there, and then here at the mix, this one was Rip Curl,
Is it
it's the mix,
Okay.
and it's size A. I tried it on, and it fit me perfect. So that, and
I
then
like these
it's
shorts.
the
I know, I
long
like it
ones.
too.
I only got one pair though.
And
This is the only board shorts I bought.
Do they
I
have?
got-
Do they don't
I
have?
got
Cause
shorts,
all the this was the
but they're
smallest
swimming
size I
shorts, but
found
can
out
also
about.
wear them too. I
Okay,
got
I gotta
this
put these
hat.
away.
I like the other
Oh,
one.
I'm gonna
but-
try-
Wait,
these on.
wait. I'm gonna. What you?
I'm gonna try
Okay, try that one.
these on
I'm
again.
gonna.
But I like the other hat, but my mum and dad said they like this hat, so I just got this one hat. And I got this tube like that. And my mum found this nice plain white top.
From,
And it's a crop top from Rip Curl. This was the first shop we went to.
yeah.
I also got
You know what, Kuya? There's a belt there. Try the belt. You have belt in that drawer.
this
I think it's on
Last
your
one,
left
and it's
side.
Rip
Yeah,
Curl too.
just them.
from the first shop my
Try
mum,
that one. I
Pick
think
this
it looks
one.
good.
and it said since
No, it looks good.
1969.
Oh, you should have given it to Zach.
Peter Alexander. Oh, be back. I didn't get my Peter Alexander.
You should have given it to Zach. I think it's mixed, Baba.
Yeah, it is mixed. I just got this one first.
Oh,
Ow, I tripped. Okay. So, I've got
just. Yeah.
this dog one from Peter Alexander. They're pairs.
Zach, you
So,
should have get that. You should have
These are the
used that
pajamas,
belt. It's already cut
and
off.
these are
small
the
for Korea.
legs.
Yeah, it looks
they're
so
long
daddy.
pants.
You look weird. These are
No.
better.
I didn't get the real Peter Alexander
Those
because
are
it was it is real, but I didn't want to get the other ones because it was more expensive, like $80. The doggy one,
Dad.
like the silver,
hindi kasi
it's
siya naka-sale.
expensive.
No,
And then-
120.
I have to put this down.
120 siya. Hindi siya
No,
naka-sale. 120.
Oh.
Then, hindi siya naka-sale. Yung ano siya,
And
magandang
then I
klase
got
kasi siya.
this long sleeve doggy one. They're pairs.
Did
I
you show it,
also
Daddy?
got
What she said?
this one, kind of Easter, but whatever. I got these PJs with the partner, because all of them have partners, and it says Sweet Dream. That one, they're pairs. I also got
This shirt.
this one, and these are pairs. I got this pair with my mum.
Yes. Siyang sabi naman, ano daw kami?
Back. And then I got
Mag-twinning.
this.
I will fold
I
it
also
first
have
here.
more on my bed.
Huh?
I also have more on my
How
bed.
many shirts did I get?
I don't know. I'm gonna
And
count.
then I got this doggy one. It's a little sausage
3,
dogs.
4,
This is size 8.
6. You wore the other one.
Wait, what?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Huh?
5, 6, 7.
Mum, did you get one
Is
of
this
these?
yours?
8.
That's mine, Baba.
Yeah, that's yours. I was going to say. But I got one of them.
No, you
Yes, I
don't.
did. That's right. Oh, these are your presents.
Yeah, just put it.
And I got, well,
I only
there's more,
got
but
8
it's in that
shirts.
bag. I got this sausage dog, the baby blue, because I love baby blue. Baby blue is my favourite colour.
At the moment, because you always change sometimes.
I like baby pink before, but right now. I changed the baby
Pink?
blue.
You like pink and purple?
Oh, what? What's this? Oh, it's a little pouch. That's a pouch.
Yeah, pouch.
And it came with these shorts. They're his. I'll get the other bag because there's... Oh, they're yours.
Kamusta na kayo nilalabhan ko doon?
Ow!
I think, how many you got? Okay.
I got what? That's
I'm
heavy.
just gonna remove mine here.
I'm gonna get 2,
This is mine now.
Mum,
Huh?
3.
I forgot to do one.
What? Ah, here pa pala baba. Ah, wait. Kuya's not finished yet.
I forgot.
You forgot.
I had this on the floor.
Ah, nice.
So I got this Vulcan shirt,
Jumper.
jumper. That's 9 shirts now. I got this,
Ah, that's same as daddy.
this
Vulcan.
Yeah, but he
Vulcan
doesn't have
shirt.
that at the front.
It's like Jimmy's.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Ah, that's another short.
I got these shorts from Vulcan. And then
Ah, that's my favorite one. Nakita niya yung paalis na kami.
I got this shirt.
Okay.
Okay, back to me.
I think that's it you have, Baba.
9 shirts. I need a shirt.
And I got
Can
these.
you put this one there?
These
First,
are the
Kuya,
shorts.
basta-
This is Peter Alexander one.
Ano?
And
Are
it
you wearing
says,
that now tonight?
because I think
Huh?
that's Peter Alexander. I got the shirt. They are partners. I got 4 of them. Okay.
How many shirts did I get?
And I got more. I'll be back.
Wait, get my jumper? No, I got
jumper.
10.
It's too hot to have a jumper.
No, I'm just
Look at Isaac, you
I'm
look
just
so
fitting.
different
I'm
with
just
that.
fitting.
Ah.
Isn't that comfy? Come on, feel that. Feel this.
Coming. Oh! Refrigerator. This hurts. First, I'm going to show you my clothes and then I'll show you what else I got. So, I'm back. And, I got,
Jacko!
I know, huh?
Where's my bucket hat?
but this
Your
isn't
bucket
it.
hat.
There's
Where's the bucket hat?
My clothes in
There
here.
you go, sir.
I got this dress. It came with a white t-shirt, but I already have lots of white t-shirts,
Now you look more gay
and
with
it
the hat
fits
on.
me. Trust me.
With the hat on, yeah.
look nice.
And then
Put that on.
got these pants.
I love that one, Baba.
There's a it's not a partner, but it matches
Put this way.
with
Yeah,
this
just put it there so I
t-shirt.
can take it here.
Billabong. We got this at the women's Billabong, and there was a kids section. And then I got this cute little bag.
Hang on, I got more. I got more.
Is that yours? I thought that's
No,
that.
that's mine. That's mine. I forgot this bag.
Ah.
Oh, that's 11 shirts. I got Quicksilver.
Oh, come and sit down here.
Quicksilver. It's like Dad's but different colour.
Alright.
Here we go again.
That's Dad's.
That's it.
Okay, that's it. That's
Okay, back to me. There's this bag I can take to like the beach or anything.
Alright, now I need a shirt.
I
I got 11 shirts.
Where's the little
actually.
girl?
here
Here's doing
Oh yeah, I
alright.
got 11.
got
Look
this
at the
one.
other boy.
Where's my t-shirt? Where's my only one t-shirt?
Here.
And,
Right here.
Have a look at him now.
and I got this nice one, and it's like so warm. This is the
Yeah.
inside. I can wear this for winter.
I need a
It's
jumper
like
now.
so fluffy. And then I got
Pasensya na guys, ang gulo ng hall namin.
Oh,
Kasi
and
yung
I
isa
got
dito,
my
tingnan nyo, nagpapasa yung
Uggies.
isa. White now, yeah?
So
That's so good.
Alright.
come with a pack. I got my Uggs.
And daddy happy.
I got nothing.
Yeah.
And then I got all the stuff in it. Okay, there was
And
this
now
in
put
it.
this on.
And
what's that?
Now put this
my
on.
Uggies.
Why not? Go, try.
No,
Why not?
I'm not wearing these.
My dad said to wear socks.
I'm not
with it.
wearing this now.
And I also got this one. Okay. And then we're going.
Let me see you, yeah.
Oh, have you got a bowl?
Go for
Prawn.
what?
More
Prawn?
than bugs here. So
Ah.
don't put them away.
Get the,
Stainless bowl. Something, where's that noodle stainless bowl?
the big one. Holly, can you get the pink one and the pantry? Please? Sorry, guys. Kasi meron
Where?
tayong bago. Si Willow, pinick up niya yung fresh na
Where?
bags and prawns. Bottom one, yes. The pink one there. Yeah, give it to Daddy. And si Kuya, si Sak, andun na sila. Si Sak, nakakatawa si Sak kasi ano talaga siya. Nagta-try on, tapos ginaganon-ganon yung perfume niya. Sabi ko, sige, gamitin mo. Sabi niya, no, I'm not going out. Kailan pa kayo kami lalabas ulit? I mean, dinner. Tutin niyo raw sa dinner. Wow, yeah! You look so
Where's
soft.
my
Where's your
hat?
hat? Here. Oh, wait. Oh, no. Let's see. Careful with that white shirt, please. Yung, ano mo, yung kahapon, may mancha na yung,
this
the
one.
first one.
Cover myself.
I'll do it, yeah. Go. I'm gonna...
My uncle's
Fix it
so
first.
warm. They have pink,
Mine are the top two.
but in kids, they don't get the long ones, like my dad's.
Did you give it to Daddy, the bowl? Baba?
Yeah, his is longer, mine's shorter. These are in kids. And his, we're like the same, but his is like an inch lighter. His is like a creamy colour. And then, that's it. Okay, I'm going to show you my favourite shirt. And my favourite romper. Where's my favourite? This is my favourite shirt.
That's not shit.
Well,
Top.
Top. And this is my favourite jumper. And these are my favourite shorts because I only got one pair of shorts I can find.
Did Daddy...
Yep.
What's
I want to change into this. I want to feel it. See. I'll be back, guys. I'll show you my results with this one.
Turn on, but that one is smaller. Ayan na siya, oh.
This is it. And with the
Is
short.
the washing here done, Dave?
Not yet, almost. I
But
got...
it was.
Wrong one.
Wala kaming makitang shorts
You
para
want
kay
to cut
Holly.
that? Oh, you've done that. haven't
No.
Wait, Mom, I'm going to go outside.
With that one?
I'm just going to...
What? You just gonna what?
I'm going to Byron Bay in this.
Okay, yeah, so don't wear it
When are we
now.
going to Byron Bay?
Yeah,
Friday?
Yeah, punta tayo ng Byron Bay sa Friday. Yung pa ang isang pupuntahan natin. Oh my God. Put it there. Look at the prawns.
There. And put it in
Oh,
the
mamaya.
fridge, though, get them cold.
Yeah. Where's the bags?
What bag?
I thought they
This
have
is like
bags.
my favourite.
No bags?
We just halved it. That Willow's got some too.
Ah, okay. Half pala tayo. It's okay.
It's like baggy.
Yeah, it's nice.
I can do TikTok.
And you know what? We've been watching your TikTok.
Yeah, guys, I can show you one of them.
No, I can just insert that. And then you recreate it, Holly. Kasi yung nung dito rin, 3 years ago, nagpapara-TikTok na siya dito. Ang cute niya, ang liit niya pa. Tapos, basta, yung mga moves niya, ang cute-cute. Ang liit niya pa.
I can find
Sabi ko, i-recreate niya. You have to recreate that one, Baba, before we go. So we can... Ang lalaki na ng t-shirt ni Kuya, oh. Sa men's na daw to. Oh no, Dad! No, this is yours, Han?
What's that?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, this is just like, ang laki naman ito. Oh, ito lang yung nabili ni Jan. In fairness sa amin ni Jan. Yung mga bata lang talaga yung yung nabilhan namin ng mga damit. You cannot find it, no, Baba?
This is the one with me and Kozak.
I'm gonna remove the sounds bubble because I'm gonna copyright.
We're gonna have part 2 because we gotta do the clothes.
Yeah, may part 2 yung ating haul. And kumakain siya ng Twinkies. Hindi ko pa ito matatapos kasi tinatawag na ako ni John. Kunin na namin yung clothes.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever?
Finally, tapos ko nang tupiin yung mga damit ng mga bata. And natanggalan ko na rin sila ng tag at saka yung yung makati sa damit, yung eto kasi pinapakat nila yan. And minsan pag yung boys ang tumatanggal nito, napupunit or nakakat nila pati yung tela. Kahit si Jan, nakakat niya, kaya ako na nagtanggal at tinanggal ko rin yung pati dito sa bucket hat ni Sa kasi mahaba siya. And eto, tulad nito, meron ng humila ng tag. Ayan, butas na agad. Kabago-bago, butas na agad. And eto, tinanggalan ko siya ng tag. Ang weird lang kasi, eto ba? Ayan, nakikita nyo yan? Wala, hindi ko makita dito yung niya, ang tawag dito, hindi ko siya matanggal, kasi wala dito, nasa loob ng tahi, nandyan, wala, ang linis, wala, hindi ko siya matanggal, at hindi ko rin mahila-hila, kasi, yung naka side, tawag doon, naka beranda, ewan ko, basta, hindi siya matanggal. So, ang sharp pa naman, makapal to. And, yung kay Holly, natanggalan ko na yan. Naka-charge kayo kanina at nag-transfer ako ng file. Eto, okay na to. Kay Sak, tsaka, kay Sak lang ata to. Ito, ang ganda nito. Hindi sinusot ni Sak. Yung trackies. From Zara. Ang ganda nito, guys. Ano ko yung kay Saki? Iba rin kasi yung mga pormahan ni Sak Sus, mamay, ang dami ko na namang tutupiin. Yung mga nilabhan natin. Meron pa kaming bago dito. Meron pang tag. Hindi pa nasuot. From Volcom. Ayan. Saki boy. May tag gamitan ko yan ng gunting kasi pag hinila yan mapupunit talaga siya. So ito yung mga luma ni Sak. So inaayos ko to kasi feeling ko hindi magkasya yung kay Kuya. So nilagay ko si Sak dito, ito yung kay Sak, tsaka ito kay Kuya dito kasi matangkad naman siya, marireach niya naman yun yung kanya. Mas marami kasi yung jumpers ni Kuya. Ito yung dati niya. Kay Kuya to, pero kay Sak na kasi maliit na kay Kuya. So, lagay natin yung, siguro, ilagay ko yung mga bago dito sa kasi for sure Sakari. Ayan, dito yung mga bago niya. Lagay ko yung shorts.
But I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time. I remember that it's over, yeah. You never break, you never lie, you never ever scared of the dark. So why am I the one who cries? I'm so afraid to be left behind. I think about you a lot. It's almost like
natin ulit. Ang ganda tingnan, 'di ba? Kasi naka-organize. Ayan. Tingnan natin later. No, I'm good, thank you. No, thank you.
Bye, guys.
Alright,
You still haven't?
I just put away all your clothes. Okay, by myself. And I remove all the tags. Okay. Alright.
Oh, that's why.
That's right. What's that? May sinasabi siya. May sinasabi tong batang ito. Nasaan ang gimbal natin? How's the pabango?
It's still on
Still on?
from the beach.
From the beach. Naligo ka na eh. Check your closet.
Wow, Bonnie.
What's Holly's?
Then? Alright, where's my stuff?
Yours first, second, TJ third and fourth. And
Thanks,
please, huh?
Thanks, Mum.
You're welcome.
I like this jumper.
Yeah.
Mum.
And please look after your closet, please, or your cabinet. Nice. Oh wow. Well, you have that bucket hat
Yeah,
before.
it's shed. A different kind though. It's
Different
This
texture.
one's like corduroy.
Corduroy, alright. Finally, na-put away ko na lahat. And, eto yung ating mga paper bags and Twinkies ni Jan. Eto, kinain to kagabi ni Zach, yung Takis. Tapos, may buksan siya ulit na isa. And, eto yung mga pinagtatanggal kong tag price and yung etiketa. And, so, si Jen ang bahala niyan. Ilalagay niya yan sa recycle bin. Dito pala kami sa Coles. May kukunin lang to si Johnny Boy for dinner tonight. Yan. Tapos na kami dito. Ayan na yung mga nakuha. Ang galing niya na
Mommy,
mag-shopping.
I got this.
Self-check na siya lagi.
So guys, I got watermelon Mentos and the Tic Tac strawberries and cream.
Very good. We're gonna get sausages, huh? Why, is that enough, the one we have? So, yun na pala yung shorts niya na nabili na rip curl. Sobrang kabisihan ko. Wala pa ako kahit isang kain. As in, tubig lang. Wala talaga. Wala akong kinain. Holy, I didn't eat anything.
Yes, no.
Anong...
Oh, I thought you meant you got to stand there. Oh, you haven't ate anything like the whole day.
The whole day, wala. Ganun tayo ka-busy today. Wala tayong
Are you
lakad.
hungry?
I'm still okay, but I just realized
past
that
the
I didn't...
No.
What? I didn't eat anything. Where are you going, hon? Jim Beam? Johnny Boy? Wow.
What is it?
I get Jim Beam.
Beer.
Joke na. Nakilala lang kayo sa BWS. Kasi ko hindi ka rin umiinom. Not unless Pasko or New Year. Hindi nga din. Tingnan nyo pala yung caravan park. Punong-puno tayo today. Puno. Kunin lang ni dyan yung pinamili natin. Okay na yan.
Why is it putting my clothes on my side? My bed.
Nagkinig ako ng ito ba, yung chickpeas. And kumuha ako ng dip, yung ito ba. Kain muna ako kasi wala pa talagang kain. Tapos kukunin ko yung mga nilabhan. Ang sarap niya. Yung garlic dip. Sarap din to. Garlic talaga. Ang sarap. Ang sarap yung combination. Ngayon naman, kunin ko yung mga sinampay and magtupi. Okay. And eto pala, i-quick haul ko lang yung nabili ni Jen sa Coast. Bumili siya ng bread. And bumili ako nitong Mukimami. Yan. Yung shelled soya beans. Dijon mustard. Coffee ni Jan. Buti na lang chinek ko. Alis na sana ako. Ilalagay pala to sa ref. More coffee. More coffee. Kumahon dalawang apples. Green apples. Ay, may maliit pa pala tayong apples dyan. Ay, kuha ako na. Ito yung veggies tonight. And kumuha ko ng peas. Yan lang naman nabili. Ayan si Holly. May mga kasama na naman siya dito. Bago na naman to. Hindi to yung kasama niya kanina. Ayan ako, ayan. Makita yung malit na apples. Ayan, papunta na ako dun sa mga sinampay ko. Ako lang today. Kasi yung mga bata nasa skate park. Doon sa ano, sa labas nito. Kasama si Kate. Yung bagong bata. So silang apat. Si Kuya nag-bike. Hiniram niya yung kay Max. Tapos yung tatlo nag-skateboard. Nag-scooter. So wala tayong kasama.
Wanna be free of this heart, yeah. Wanna feel your arms around me. I need you more, need you here, more than I would like to admit. Let's forget about tomorrow, yeah. Should I hide away forever? Should I close my eyes and never again hold you tight, call you mine, think about you every time?
Huh?
For what?
No. Hindi na nothing like. Ako na talaga ang nagtuping nakatayo. Natupi na to lahat. Habang kinukuha ko, isa-isa, kinupi ko na. Ah, wait, Kuya. And si Saf, nadala niya na
We
din.
found it.
Okay. Yung
It was in
towels.
Holly's bed the whole time.
Yung towels
And
nandala
I went
tapos.
around the whole park.
Oh,
Dad and Zach.
what?
To look for his phone, and then they found it in Holly's bed.
Akala ni Sak nawala niya yung phone niya. Hindi niya naman dinala. And si Kuya, dinala niya na rin yung isang bag doon. Okay, so I'm just gonna get the snacks and we're good. Si John kasi nagluluto na sila ng
Well, I'll start going back.
Okay.
You can play that.
Oh, I have my phones and my other stuff. Dala ko yung aking tripod, yung sa table lang na plano ko sana, dapat. What did you do?
I went to pick it up and it broke.
No, it's not.
Do I have to come back? But what for?
Where's Zachary?
I don't know. What do I come back for?
This one, because I have my
I'm
phones.
carrying two.
Yeah, I have this phones and the other one.
Oh, you can carry that.
You
Just
got
drop
this
your
one.
phone off at the kitchen. I'm not coming back. So I'll say it.
Tell Zachary to come here, please. Kunin ko lang yung phone at saka yung tripod ko. Dito ko sana sila tutupiin. And manunod ako ng Korean drama. Pero wala. Doon na natin siya Yes.
Then how am I going to do it?
I don't know. I'll bring the pegs. Para magluluto na sila. See? You can do it. Yeah. Ito daw yung akin. Oh. Thank you, Kuya. Wow! Wow, kuya. Nice. Suit niya na yung kanyang tragis and bagong jumper. It looks nice, yeah. Where are you going, yeah?
I don't know, somewhere.
What, is Zaki here?
Dad, I lost my phone. It was in Holly's bed.
Your balance? It's alright. Oh. No one will see it now, kuya. It's night time. Nagpo-forma pa siya.
I haven't worn them.
Okay, so yan yung aking mga ipuput away. Nautusan din tayo ni Jan. Gawa raw ako ng gravy. Tapos, initin natin yung carrots and peas. Si Holly, nire-ready niya na yung mga dadalhin doon. Yung plates and cutleries. And ako, pinuput away ko to. And, nandito na rin yung gravy natin. Pupunasan ko. Tingnan yung fingerprints. Nailagay ko na yung kay Holly. Napagkasya ko. No, chips. We're gonna order chips. Ayan. Yung sa boys naman. Si kuya, tingnan nyo. Diba? Kumuha siya ng jumper. Tingnan nyo na. Oh. Wala pa yung... Ilang oras pa lang yan, ha? Ayusin ko. Tapos ko na i-put away yung mga damit ng kids. And yung ginawa ko sa shirts ni kuya para magkasya dito ay finold ko na ang ganito. And tinanggal ko dito yung kanyang golf shirts. Kasi hindi naman yun araw-araw ginagamit. Dito ko siya nilagay sa taas. And ayan na. And sinabihan ko rin si Holly, kung gusto niya mag-change ng damit, tawagin niya ako para akong kumuha. Para hindi siya magulo. Ang hindi ko na lang na-fold pala doon sa kung saan ako nagtupi habang nakatayo ay yung mga undies. Yun na lang yung tutupiin ko dito. So yan na lang yung aking mga tupiin. Undies and socks. Dinner time. Ayan yung sausages, steak, and nag-order ng chips. Nag-order na yung mga kids.
Want some chips? Oh, yeah. Wipe the finger and wipe the mess up. There and there.
Oh, what's that? Really gravy too, yeah.
So you don't want me? Cool. What? I'm too full, go think about it. Although we're going out, aren't we? Oh, yeah. Body train.
Tapos na pala silang tapos na kayong kumain. Ayan, nire-rinse niya lang yung mga pinagkainan, then sasabunin ko yan doon sa caravan.
Because